Good morning! I have a couple of ripe bananas, so I'm gonna make my healthy chocolate banana pancakes for breakfast.
I'm making 2 servings of the pancakes, so first I mash 2 bananas. Then I add 4 eggs. Next I add 2 scoops of vegan chocolate protein powder. If you don't have protein powder, you can replace it with flour. All-purpose flour or oat flour, for example, work very well. Lastly, I add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cacao powder for that chocolatey flavor. I cook the pancakes on a nonstick pan for a few minutes on each side. When bubbles are starting to form, I carefully flip the pancakes.
And here are the ready pancakes. I like to serve them with berries. These pancakes are super soft, chocolatey, and so yummy. Such a perfect breakfast. Now after breakfast, I take a multivitamin. I've been using Ritual's Essential for Women 18 Plus multivitamin for a while now. All of Ritual's products are made traceable, meaning they tell you where their labeled ingredients come from, why they're there, and how their products are validated. Essential for Women 18 Plus is a clinically backed, clean, high-quality multivitamin for women between ages 18 to 49 to help fill key nutrient gaps in the diet. It's third-party tested, vegan-friendly, and non-GMO certified, gluten-free, and made without major allergens. I take 2 capsules in the mornings before or after breakfast. It doesn't upset my stomach, so I can take them with or without food. It's subscription-based, so you never run out. So convenient. For 25% off your first order of Ritual, go to ritual.com/fitfoodieselma25. Thank you so much, Ritual, for sponsoring this portion of the video.
For lunch, I'm making a Greek pasta salad. I'm using lentil pasta in this, which is high in protein and fiber. Then I add cucumber, cherry tomatoes, bell pepper, crumbled feta, kalamata olives, and lastly, the homemade dressing. For the dressing, I just mix together juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and a pinch of salt and pepper. And here's the ready pasta salad. Super simple and so delicious.
It's Saturday today, and I usually don't film new short form recipe videos during the weekends, but today I have to film at least 1 new video since we'll be spending a couple of weeks of the month at my parents' house, and I can't really film there. Aaron's mom, who lives in Belgium, Brussels, she'll be traveling to Finland and she'll stay here in our apartment. This is a 1-bedroom apartment, so we can't all be here at the same time. So yeah, I need to film all the videos in advance, and there's a lot to do. We just did a leg workout and now I'm so hungry that I had to go pick up a little snack. I got this vegan protein bar which has lots of nuts and some dark chocolate on top. For dinner, we're gonna make those viral sushi cups. I haven't made those before, so excited to see how they taste. And then for dessert, we're gonna have that healthy peach sorbet that I made earlier today.
First, I cut the salmon into cubes, then I mix them with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light mayo, and 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, I mix together cooked rice with 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. Then I cut the nori sheets into squares. I cut each sheet into 4 smaller squares. I chop the nori squares with a couple of tablespoons of the rice. Then I place them into greased muffin pan cavities and add the salmon cubes on top. I bake them at 200 Celsius degrees, 390 in Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. For topping, I mix together light mayo and hot sauce. I also sprinkle chopped chives on top. I serve these with avocado and cucumber. These turn out super tasty. I definitely recommend trying them out.
Those were all the meals I had today. The written recipes are in the description box as always. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. I hope you tried the recipes. Enjoy!